Are you aware that if your computer is infected with virus or if your system is lagging, you can actually scan and fix it without having antivirus installed in that system? Let me show you how. Now come to this search area of your taskbar, click on it and type CMD. Now you see command prompt. This is the tricky part. Don't click on this. If you click on this and type the command I'm going to show you here, it's not going to work. What you need to do is right click on it and run as administrator. You have to run this as an administrator before it will be able to execute. So click on run as an admin and this pops up, say yes. And once you say yes, come here and type sfc space / scan now and click enter. Once you click enter, you have to wait for some time. As you can see, this process will take some time. Beginning verification phase of system scan. Verification, you can see here is on 1%. Over here is on 1%. So this is going to scan your system and delete all virus in your system and also stop your system from lagging. I'm going to allow this to run. After it's done, I'm going to show you the difference between running it as an admin and running it normally. You guys should not forget that the command I used here is, let me bring it up here. Command I use here is sfc. Okay, let me make it bigger so that you guys can see it. Okay, the command I use is sfc space / scan now. Now, once you type this, you click enter. I'm going to run this same command once this thing finishes. So as you guys can see, this has finished scanning my system and I'm going to close this and I'm going to go to my search area and type CMD again. And this time I'm no longer going to right click and run as admin. So what I'm going to do is close. I'm going to type CMD and just click on it. Once I click on it, it comes up. I'm going to copy this, which is the same command prompt. Put it there, paste, and scan. You can see you must be an administrator running a console section in order to use the SFC utility. So if you want to utilize this method, make sure you run it as an admin. So just follow this simple method and scan your system for virus and also stop your system from lagging. And if this is your very first time of watching my video, my name is Asuike Kingsley, and on this channel I give you tips and solutions on how to make money online and other relevant tips that helps in our daily online space. But during the weekend, I make sure I give you updates on new games and apps in the virtual reality space. So if you wouldn't want to miss any of my videos, make sure you're subscribed to this channel and make sure you turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first to know once I upload a new video. I will see you guys in my next video. You guys should stay creative and remain blessed.